Hi kiddos and welcome parents. Okay, I think the corona situation are forcing everyone to study online every day, isn't it? Isn't it, children? The online classes are very boring, are very tough to handle. Okay. I'm here to relax your mother or your father or your granny and of course you. How I'm going to relax you? Yes, I'm going to relax you by take overing you. How I'm going to take over you? I'm going to take a beautiful and very interactive class, kids. Okay, I'm going to handle or I'm going to take phonics. Phonics, yes. Okay, are you struggling with phonics? Okay, hereafter I'm here to cheer up you. Okay, do you all know what is phonics or how it helps? Okay, now I'm going to tell you what is phonics and what is the usage of phonics. Okay, the phonics mean it helps us to read the letters or to pronounce a word properly. Okay, the phonics helps us to read correctly and to pronounce correctly. Are you struggling with the large words? Are you struggling with while you are writing spellings? Hereafter, you don't get struggle because I'm going to take a phonics class on interesting way. Okay, let's move on to the whiteboard. Okay, you all know the alphabets, isn't it? I think you all may very aware of alphabets from A to Z. No? A to Z. Okay, what is this? A to Z. Okay, let's we sing an alphabetic song and start our class. Okay, sing together. Sing together. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. U, V, W, X, Y, Z. U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, well done. Okay, now we sing a song of alphabets. Okay. Do you all know there is a sound for each letter? What? There is a sound for each letter? Yes, there is a sound for each letter or each alphabet. Okay, let's now study about what are the sounds in alphabets. Okay, next we are moved to the first letter A. You all know how to write letter A? Okay, I will tell you how to write the letter A. Slanting line. Yes. Then again a slanting line. Then a straight line. Sleeping line. Slanting line. And again a slanting line. And in center a sleeping line. What is this? What is this? Some of them telling, I can hear you. Some of them telling, yes. What is this? Capital A. Got it. Okay. Now I'm going to tell you how to write small a. Just put a circle like this and just draw a line. What is this? This is small a. Okay. This is capital A and this is small a. The sound of the A is, the A sounds like, the A sounds like, the A sounds like apple. If the ant comes and it's bite on your hand, what will you say? The same sound of the A is okay. The ant comes on your hand. If it bites, what will you say? Give a nice beat and you will say the same sound. Okay, let's sing it together. Come on, cheer up. Come on, cheer up. Come on. Yeah, the letter A. The letter A. The letter A sounds like apple. Apple. The letter A. The letter A. The letter A sounds like apple. Apple. Just open your mouth from here. Apple. Next, move on to the next letter. Next, we are going to learn letter B. Okay, you all know how to write B? Yes. Straight line. And we have to join. The first one should be small semicircle. And the second one is little bit larger. Okay. Okay, let's write the small b. How to write small b? Just put a straight line. And here we have to join. S, we joined. Okay, the B for ball, balloon, anything. Okay, okay, balloon. Okay, now we are going to study the sound of B. The letter B sounds like ba. The same sound. The letter B sounds like ba, 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 balloon. The letter B sounds like ba, 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 balloon. Okay, the letter B sounds like, no, just listen my mouth, how it's pronouncing. Keep it like this. Keep it like this. If your mom giving the food which you don't like it, then how you keep your mouth? The same should be ba, ba. If your mom giving something you don't like it, how will you keep your mouth? If your mom show me the gulab jamun, how will you show it? The same thing. They don't like the food. Gulab jamun, ba. The same sound. Okay. Okay, let's sing together the sound of B. Okay, 1, 2, 3. The letter B sounds like a ba, 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 ba. The letter B sounds like a ba, 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 ba. Balloon. You all like balloon, isn't it? I too love the pink balloon. I love it more. Okay. Okay, the sound of the B is ba. Okay, next we move to the next letter C. Okay, now we learn the letter B. Now we learn letter B. It sounds like a B. Let's go to the next letter C. C, 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 C. The C sounds like k, 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 k. Okay, now go to the board and write the C. Okay, how to write the C? Just keep it a point. Keep a point like this. Okay, keep a point like this and just make a semicircle. And we have to finish it like this. Okay, finish it like this. This is capital C. I'm writing one more time. Capital C. What is a small c? How you write the small c? Small. Okay. For capital means we have to write something large. If in case if you are writing small c, it should look small. That is the difference between capital C and small c. Okay, okay. The sound of C, k, k, k. Yeah, you have to pronounce it from here. Just keep it your pronounce it from here. K, 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 k. The C sounds like k, 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 k. K for cat, cat, cat. Okay, I don't know to draw the proper cat, so I'm going to draw the cat from the number 8. Okay. One big circle and one big circle, and just put the ears like this, and mouth and eyes and this mustache. Okay, this is not a proper cat, but I don't know to draw the cat. What to do? Okay, the C sounds like k, k, k. C sounds like k, k, cat. The C sounds like k, 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 cat. Meow. Okay, okay. Now we learn the letter. Now we learn the letter C. It sounds like k, k. Let's go to the next letter D. D. The D sounds like ja, ja, ja. Okay, now go to the next letter D. Okay. How to write the capital letter? Straight line. And we have to join this to end. Okay, this is capital D. And the small d looks like straight line. And we have to join it from the half. It's looking like a reverse B, isn't it? This is B, small b. The reverse is small d. You may confuse what is a small d and what is a small b, isn't it? When I am also kid, I am also doing the same problem. I am also having the same problem. So don't worry. Okay, it will be get. This is a capital D and this is small d. Okay, now the D sounds like ja, 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 ja. Okay, okay. Now listen my mouth how I am pronouncing ja, ja. Okay. The D sounds like ja, 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 jack. Okay. So I am going to draw a duck from number 2. This is 2 and just think this is a duck. Okay, the D sounds like I can't hear. Speak it loudly. Come on, come on. The D, D, D. The D sounds like ja, 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 duck, ja, ja, duck. Okay. Listen my mouth, how my tongue is rolling. Da, da, da. It's from like a husky voice. Da, da, da. Okay? Okay. The D sounds like da, 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 duck. Okay? Okay. Now we learn the letter D. The D sounds like da, 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 da. Let's go to the next letter. What is the next letter of the D? More sound. What is the next letter of D? E. Yes, correct. What is the next letter of D? E, E. Okay, now I'm going to tell you how the E sounds like.